Hi all, welcome back to Tiani Style. We will see Chanderiil set collection. If you set purchase WhatsApp purchase. First, Maheshwari silk set top light shade light chocolate shade, green cream shade combination. Top in the bag same hand block print. Maheshwari silk fabric soft material fabric. Top in the side, here pattern border with sleeve highlight top with Dupatta is the Maheshwari silk in Dupatta. Dupatta is the Maheshwari silk hand block print of the Dupatta. Dupatta is the length of the Dupatta. Dupatta and side this border attached in Dupatta. Bottom is the light ash shade and the hand block print of the bottom. Bottom is the pure cotton is the bottom. Price is 1900 with free shipping. Next is the dark navy blue shade and white color hand block print. Top in the side here pattern border pure Maheshwari silk with top in dupatta. Bottom is the pure cotton. Top in the back is the same hand block print and top Dupatta is the Maheshwari silk hand block print dupatta. Dupatta and side here pattern border length width dupatta. Bottom is the pure cotton hand block print bottom. Bottom is side border attached. Bottom is 2.5 meter. Bottom is top part stitch. Price is 1900 with free shipping. Next is the Chanderi silk set soft Chanderi silk fabric. Top in pattern hand block print floral design with hand block print. Top in side border attached. Yoke sleeve highlight border. This side golden zari border. Top in back the same hand block print. Red shade face side. Dupatta is the Chanderi silk dupatta. Dupatta is the Chanderi silk hand block print dupatta floral design. Dupatta is pattern border golden zari border dupatta. Bottom is the pure cotton in the bottom here pattern bottom. Price is 1600 with free shipping. Next is the mango design hand block print green shade base side. Top in this border yellow and beige color combination with the border. Top is the hand block print beige color. Mango design beige color hand block print with the top. Top in the back same hand block print Dupatta is the pure Chanderi silk dupatta. Dupatta is the double shade green and yellow color combination with dupatta. Bottom is the pattern bottom. Price is 1600 with free shipping. Next is the color shade rose shade hand block print pattern. Top in the back same hand block print. Top in dupatta is the Chanderi silk. Bottom is the cotton. Normal hand wash use set. Dry wash better. Top in the back hand block print. Top in the side golden zari border. Top dupatta is pure Chanderi silk dupatta. Dupatta is soft silk fabric dupatta. Dupatta end light golden zari border dupatta. Bottom is the pure cotton hand block print bottom. Price is 1600 with free shipping. Next is the red shade and pattern hand block print top top in the back same hand block print. Dupatta is the pure Chanderi silk hand block print dupatta. Dupatta Chanderi silk dupatta golden zari border. Bottom is the pure cotton hand block print bottom. Price is 1600 with free shipping. This is Maheshwari silk Chanderi silk set. Set purchase WhatsApp purchase. YouTube video like, share, subscribe. Thank you.